2020 Exam 2, Question 3, Matrices. Okay, so we're trying to work out customer numbers here. We've got a transition matrix relationship, and they've given us T, they've given us S0, they want us to find S1. Well, the relationship is just T times S0. Time for the calculator on that one. There you go. You can put it straight in. You don't even have to put any labeling for T and S in there, and you'll get those numbers, and you just stick them into the answer. 2407700, 231700, and 207600. All done. All right, I'm not sure what this has to do with matrices. Not a fan of this exam, but here we go. Answer the question. Let's put in front of you a graph reading question. And it says, what is the difference? So that means a subtraction in the expected values for West Mall. West Mall is this one. So we've gone from 250,000. It looks like we've gone to 220,000. So 250,000 minus 220, 1, 2, 3, that equals 30,000. A lovely graph reading question for matrices. All right, not a huge fan of this question because, I mean, if you're looking at the graph, you might be thinking, well, he gave me a graph, I can read this question off the graph, but you can't really because it says Grand Mall, which is this line. I'm going to draw over it because you'll see. It says is expected to achieve its maximum number of shoppers sometimes between the 4th and 10th week. So sometime between here and here, somewhere between there, there's a peak. Nah, can't see it. And that's this rather silly question, and you have to go to quite extreme values here. But look, write down the week number in which this is expected to occur. You're just basically going to have to go through the transition matrices a bit. So all I did was, on my calculator, is I went back to what I did before, and I just inserted here a hat 5. And that gets me for week 5, okay? Because I can see week 4, it's not going to be week 4, you can see the numbers are going up. That's week 6, just going back and thinking about the numbers. Now, if you look here, Grand Mall was the second one on the list. So we've got 233660, then we've got 233708, then we've got 233709. So that's actually week 7 there. So it looks like week 7's peaking. It's so easy to spot there. But we've got to check the other ones. So let's look. There's week 8. Now week 8, you can see the numbers are going down. So it's 233689, rounding off the people. Remember, round off the nearest person. And if you check 9, you can see the numbers are going down again to 659. Then you can see 627. So you can definitely see of all of these. I mean, we could have done number 4 as well, but you know. You can see that clearly the peak is in 7. So the week number was 7. There you go. It's just going through and checking the powers. Now, classic question. In the long term, that's the key phrase meaning steady state. I used to just do 20 for steady state, but this doesn't hit steady state. And then again, it's really annoying. It says to the nearest whole number. That means actually 6 significant figures. It's a bit overdoing it, to be honest. 6 significant figures. But anyway, so what I'd use is this power 50 to see if that's steady state. 50 should definitely do it. And we want West Mall. So you've got to check which one of those 3 is West Mall. That's the first one here. And then you check 51 just to make sure you haven't fluffed up, because if you did, like I often do, 20 and 21, it doesn't change. Because 6 significant figures is pretty hardcore maths there. It's a bit redundant. Should have been only 3 significant figures and it would have worked with 20. Just, you know, let it go, let it go. So the nearest whole number, because you can't have part of a person, but that's a stupid level of accuracy. But there's the number. That's the answer. All right.